Hello everybody, I am Baljit Dhaka from Pinnacle Coaching Center, and today we are going to discuss paper code 727. This is a previous year question paper, and in this question paper we have already covered 50 questions. Now question number 51. The length, breadth and height of a wooden box with a lid are 10 centimeter, 9 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. The total inner surface of the closed box is 262. The thickness of the wood would be how much? We have to find the value of thickness. Now as we know, see 2 L into B, B into H plus L into H. This is the surface area. Now internal surface area would be, it means, see, and the total internal surface area which is given, let's say L, if this is X, thickness of wood is X, then from both sides it will be subtracted. It will be subtracted from both sides. You can see from this like this. So this is closed box. It means if this is X, then this will be X. This is X minus 2X. You can say L minus 2X, and here this is given L 10. So 10. If you see 10 minus 2X. 10 minus 2X into 9 minus 2X plus L into B, this is equal to this B into H, and B into H means 9 minus 2X into 7 minus 2X, and this is equal to LH, 10 minus 2X and 7 minus 2X. 2X. So this is equal to 262. This is equal to 262. This is what we have given. Now thickness of the wood, we have to find the value of X. If you calculate, there will be a lot of calculation. Better would be you put value from the option. Now let's say you can put anything, but let's put 1, because there are very high chances when a value is more, you can say 1, 2, this would be in this format. Otherwise it will be very difficult to make such kind of question. So 10 minus 2, that is 8, into 9 minus 2, that is 7, because we have taken value of X is 1, 7, plus 9 minus 2, that is 7, 7 minus 2, that is 5, plus 10 minus 2X, 10 minus 2, that is 8, 7 minus 2, that is 5. So 40, 35 and 56. This is equal to 131 and multiplied by 2, which is we have taken component. So 262 is the answer, which is exactly, it means X when we put it, well, when it will satisfy. If it in the case if it does not satisfy, then what we will do, you choose this one, because first is simple value. There are 90% chances that the simplest will be the answer. Next question, question number 52. The perimeter of a equilateral triangle is equal to circumference of a circle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle, you can say 3a is equal to 2 pi r, 2 pi r, circumference of the circle. Ratio of their areas, A is equal to 2 by 3 pi r. A is equal to 2 by 3 pi r. Now root 3 by 4 pi r, root 3 by 4 a square is the area of equilateral triangle. Now put square of this. We will have 4 by 9 pi square r square, which is equal to pi r square, and we have to find the ratio of pi r square, because the area of a circle is pi r square. So r square cancel, pi, you can say pi cancel, 4 cancel, and root 3 you can multiply it by root 3 and divide by root 3. Now 3 3. So 3 root 3. In other words, 22 by 7 into 3 root 3 is equal to ratio 1. In other words, 22 ratio 21 root 3. 22 ratio 21 root 3. A should be the answer. What we have to do in this kind of question, that just put the value. Question result will automatically out. Question number 53. A right circular cone and right circular cylinder have the same base and their heights are in the ratio 2:3. Ratio of their volume would be right circular cone means 1 by 3 pi r square h, and right circular cylinder, that is pi r square h. This is the ratio of volume. Now it is given there the same base is same. It means pi r square and pi r square is same. Pi r square and pi square is same, and the height is into ratio. In place of this a, you can write a. This in place, right? You can write a, and height is 2. And in this case, pi r square, write a, and height is 3. So it will cancel like this. 2 by 3 is equal to 3, or you can say 2 is equal to 9. 2 ratio 9. 2 by 3 ratio 3, 2 is equal to 9. Answer is D. Next question, question number 54. A cone, a cylinder and hemisphere stand on an equal basis, like this. Equal basis. This is cylinder, and also this is a sphere. Hemisphere. Hemisphere you will find. Hemisphere in this format you will find. Hemisphere. Now cone, cylinder and hemisphere stand on equal base. You can make diagram again. This is given. Question is, a cone, cylinder and hemisphere stand on equal basis. Equal basis and have equal height. It means cylinder height is same. Cylinder height would be same, and hemisphere height would be also same. Their volume would be how much? So volume of cone would be 1 by 3 pi r square, and h you can take, because this is r, then this would be r. This hemisphere, so r would be this, because it would have been, it means total r is this. R is this. Otherwise, because this is hemisphere, if it would have been a sphere, then it would have been like this. Now r is the height again. Then cylinder is pi r square, and h is equal to r. And now then pi hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r and cube, pi r cube. So you can cancel pi r3, pi r3 and r3. In other words, 1 by 3 ratio 1 ratio 2 by 3. If you take LCM 3, then 1, 3 and 2. 1, 3, 2 should be the ratio. In other words, 1, 3, 2, C should be the answer. C should be the answer. Next question, question number 55. From any point inside an equilateral triangle, the length of perpendicular on the sides are A centimeter, B centimeter, C centimeter. Its area would be how much? This is very, very important and very frequently asked question. So be careful. You should always remember this question, how to solve. This is equilateral triangle. This is interior point. This is perpendicular. Let's take total. You can take X is the side, and now A, B and C. This is given. A, B and C, this is given. Now this triangle, area of this triangle plus area of this triangle plus area of this triangle would be equal to area of the entire triangle. You can say root 3 by 4 a square, that is x square, I can write here 1 by 2 plus x, which is base, into height, that is a, plus a 1 by 2 into x, b 1 by 2 x into c. In other words, you can take common 1 by 2 x, a plus b plus c, which is equal to root 3 by 4 x square. X cancel, and then it would be x is equal to 2 by root 3 a plus b plus c. Sometime question is asked till here, so tell the side of the equilateral triangle. So the answer is you must remember this. This is also important trick, and the formula you remember till exactly here. In fact, you should know this directly, and if it is asked perimeter, then multiplied by 3, but here it is asked what is the area. So area would be root 3 by 4 x square. So the value of x is given, that is 2 square would be 4 by 3, 4 by 3, and a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c square. So you can say root 3 by 3 a plus b plus c. You can also, you have to remember also directly, number one. If you don't want to remember directly, then at least till here you have to remember directly, because this is frequently asked. So highly advisable. In this question, answer should be this, B. Question number 56. Area of circle and square are same. Ratio of the side of square to that the radius of the circle would be how much? Area of circle and square are same. You can say pi r square is equal to a square. Ratio of the side of square to the radius. We have to tell radius, and now you can say 22 by 7 r square and a square. Square a square divided by r square. R square is equal to, instead of writing 22 by 7, you can write pi, because in the option pi is given. So a by r would be equal to root pi divided by 1. A by r, a ratio r. A ratio r, it is asked, root pi by 1. C should be the answer. Question number 57. ABCD is a square inscribed in a circle of radius r. Then the total area of the portion of the circle lying outside the square. What is the question? Question is given this circle and square is inside circle like this. So remember always, and we have to find the area, this area. Remember always, area of pi r square minus, this is area of circle, and area of square inside a circle would always be 2r square. This formula is very, very important, 2r square. So r square would be equal to pi minus 2. This is the answer. If you know the trick, then you can easily solve this question within few seconds, otherwise would be difficult to solve. Now the question is given in this format. Now D should be the answer. Question number 58. The length of the two parallel sides of trapezium are 28 cm and 40 cm. Parallel side 28 and 40. 28, 40. If the length of each of the other two sides be each side, that is 12, each side 12, 12, 12. Then the area of the trapezium, we have to find the value of a trapezium. Now see, if this is 12, this is also 12, this is 28, it means 6 and 6 would be both sides, because these are equal. This is 6, this is 12, then this would be equal to c square minus a square is equal to b square. In other words, 144 minus 36 would be 108. In other words, 6 root 3. So 6 root 3 is this, 6 root is this. Now we know this. We can find the value of this. This would be equal to, this is rectangle. So the area of rectangle would be 28 into 6 root 3 plus this and this area. What is the area of this? 1 by 2 into 6 into 6 root 3, 6 root 3, and you can also multiply by 2. Why? Because there are two equal triangle. Now it will be equal to 36 root 3, 36 root 3, and here you can say 168 root 3 plus 36 root 3 would be equal to 204 root 3. 204 root 3, C should be the answer. Next question, question number 59. Diameter of the internal and external surfaces of a hollow spherical shell are 6 and 10 cm respectively. 6 and 10 cm respectively. It means 5, because this is total is diameter 10, then radius will be 5, and 6 is the diameter, then total would be 3. 5 and 3 you can say. If it is melted and solid cylinder of length 8 by 3 cm is made, then the diameter of the cylinder would be how much? It means that the volume of this portion is equal to, in other words, I can write here 4 by 3 r cube pi r cube minus r cube is equal to pi r square and h. H is given, which is 8 by 3. 8 by 3. Pi cancel, 3 cancel, 4. Here you will find R3 is given, that is 5 into 5 into 5, 125, minus R, 3 into 3 into 3, 27. You can say 98 is equal to R1 and 2. So when divided, it will find R1 square 49, R1 is equal to 7. 7 would be the radius of cylinder and diameter would be, question is diameter. If radius is 7, diameter would be B, answer 14. Question number 60. The volume of metallic cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. Its length is 14 centimeter and external radius is 9 centimeter. We have to find the thickness. Now volume of metallic cylindrical pipe is 748 pi r square h, which is 748. Its length is 14 centimeter. Its length is 14 centimeter. So you can say here it is given external radius. It means this in fact is pi r square minus r square and h, because pi r square minus pi r square, and which is 748. Now h is given, length is given 14, 748, and pi is equal to, you can write here 22 by 7 r square, external radius is given 9, so 9 into 9, 81, minus r square, h is given 14, 748. This is the question. External radius, which is given 9, in fact 9 into 9, 81, minus r square, and here you will find (81) minus 17 is equal to r square. R square is 64. In other words, R is equal to 8. R is equal to 8. Question is thickness. So R is equal to 8 and R, this is 9. Thickness would be 9 minus 8, 1. 1 centimeter is the thickness. Question number 61. A cylindrical vessel of diameter 24 centimeter contains some water. If two spheres of radii 6 centimeter each are lowered into the water until they are completely immersed, then the water level in the vessel will rise. This is cylinder, and then there are two, you can say two sphere, they will immerse in it, the level of water. In other words, a cylindrical vessel of diameter 24, that is 12, this is 12. If the sphere of radii 6 centimeter each, there are two sphere, it means 4 by 3 pi r cube. Instead of r cube, I can write 6 power 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216 into 2, I can multiply by 2. This is the volume of a two sphere, and which is equal to pi r square, because this volume of cylinder is pi r square, pi r square, r is 12 into 12, 144, and into h. H will be the level of water rise. H will be the level of water rise. In other words, this volume is equal to the volume of the cylinder, which will replace to this volume. In other words, when we find height will be equal to the height will be equal to the water level rises. So it will be equal to H is equal to 4. H is equal to 4. Answer is C. Next question, question number 62. And the question is given, if 2x is equal to root a plus 1 by root a, then we have to find the value of this expression. Now put any value. It will be better to put, if I put here 2, then here, if I here a is equal to 4, then root 4 would be 2 plus 1 by 2. In other words, 2x is equal to 5 by 2, because here 2 plus 1 by 2. Then x would be equal to 5 by 4. Now put value in this expression. Value of x 5 by 4. X is equal to 5 by 4. If I put here 5 by 4, then it will be equal to 25 by 16 minus 1. Minus 1, and here you will find x, which is equal to 5 by 4 and minus 25 by 16 minus 1. So this would be equal to 25 minus 16, that is 9 by 16. 9 by 16 is equal to 3 by 4. In other words, this is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4 and minus 3 by 4, because this is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 and then 2 by 4, it will be equal to 3 by 2. So answer should be 3 by 2 in terms of A. A we have put value 4. So see, 4 plus 1, that is 5. It is not 3 by 2. It means it cannot be possible. A, that is 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2, that is 2.5. This is also not possible. Now 4 minus 1, that is 3. 3 by 2, this is the answer. C should be the answer. So such kind of question you can solve by putting value. You must be fluent in putting value. If a plus b plus c are real number and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 2a minus b minus c minus 3, then the value of a plus b plus c is equal to, this is a frequently asked question of SSC CGL. You must know how to solve this kind of question. You can also put value, but it would be better to understand this. A square, if I put here, then it will be minus 2a, and if I take this side, plus 1. Again b square minus 2b in place of this, it would be 2b this side and plus 1, plus c square plus 2c and plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this will become formula of what? A minus 1 whole square plus b plus 1 whole square plus c plus 1 whole square. This equation is equal to this equation. Now a minus 1, if we have square here, then a minus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. Here b is equal to minus 1, here c is equal to minus 1. So a plus, question is a plus b plus c. So a minus and minus, it means minus 1 should be the answer is A. Next question, question number 64. if a plus b minus c divided by a plus b, then b plus c minus a divided by b plus c and is equal to c plus a minus b divided by c plus a, and a plus b plus c which is not equal, then we have to find. Now in this question you can put value. Let's say put a is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 2, or you can put any other value also. In any other value if you find that these are matching. So a plus b, 2 plus 2 that is 4 minus 2, 2 by 4 that is 1 by 2. 2 plus 4 minus 2, 2 by 4 that is 1 by 2. 2 plus 2 that is 4 minus 2, 2 by 4 that is 1 by 2. So when we will put value a is equal to b, a is equal to 1 you can also put here, then you will find answer. It means this equation will satisfy only when a is equal to b is equal to c. In other words, b should be the answer. Such kind of question you can solve by putting value. That is more convenient and very easy. If a is equal to 2 root 3, then the value of this expression. So a's power 6 that is a3, you can write this expression in this format: a power 4 a by 3, a2 a by 3 and 1 by 3. We have written this expression in this format. In other words, this can be a3, you can write this beside this, and then a and 1 by a. So this expression and this expression, these are same thing. Now we have a is equal to 2 root 3, a is equal to 2 root 3. So in place of this we can write this 2 plus root 3, and when we write this expression, if you can also write a 1 by a is equal to 2 minus root 3. 2 minus root 3. Why? When the difference of square is 1, then sign changes only. So 2 plus root 3, a plus 1 by a is equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. In other words, you can say this is equal to 4. So this would be equal to 4. Now we have to find the value of this. This would be equal to a power 3, a 1 by a power 3 is equal to a3 plus b3. You can write here this plus 3a into 1 by a, and a plus 1 that is 4 you can write here. In other words, this is 12. So, and which is equal to a. In place of this we have write 4 and power 3. So 64 minus 12, 52 is the answer of a3 plus 1 a by 3. So 52 is this and 4 is this. Total answer would be 56. D is the answer. What we have done in this question, try to understand this. A plus 1 by a is equal to 4. We have changed the sign 1 by a by rationalizing it, then we will find 2 minus root 3, then root 3 cancel, a plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4. Now we have written this expression in this format. We have just separated it. It means a3 plus 1 by a power 3 would be equal to a3 plus 1 by a3 plus 3a into 1 by a, and a plus 1 by a we have written 4. So this is equal to 3 into 4, 12, and a plus 1 by a is equal to 4. So 4 power 3 is equal to 64, and then it will go this side, then it will become 52. So this a3 plus 1 by a3 is equal to 52, and here we have 4 also, because we have to find the value of this entire expression. So it will be 56. Question number 66. If x is equal to root 5 plus root 3 and y is equal to root 5 minus root 3, then the value of x4 minus y4 would be how much? You can write this expression in this format: x square minus y square, x square plus y square. Now this equation you can write this: x plus y and x minus y x square plus y square. Now we know x plus y. X plus y would be equal to root 5 plus root 3 and plus root 5 minus root 3. So root 3 cancel. So we will have root 5 plus root 5, that is 2 root 5. 2 root 5. And then x minus y. X minus y would be equal to, you can write here, x minus y. So x minus y would be root 5 minus root 5 cancel. Root 3 and plus root 3 to be equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3 you can write here. So in place of this we have written this, x square plus y square. X square, you can write this expression, root 5 square plus root 3 square, 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 2 root 15, 2 root 15 plus here 5 plus 3 8 minus 2 root 15. 2 root 15, 2 root 15, 2 root 15 cancel, 8 plus 8, 16. Now 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 64 root 15. 64 root 15 should be the answer. 64 root 15, 5 into 3 root 15 is the answer. Question number 67. If x plus y plus z is equal to 6, then the value of x minus 1 power 3 plus y minus 2 power 3 plus z minus 3 power 3. When you find expression in this format, a3 plus b3 plus c3, a3 plus b3 plus c3 minus 3abc is equal to 0 when a plus b plus c is equal to a plus is 0. Here x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, z minus 3. So x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z minus 6, minus 6. You can say x plus y plus z minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 is equal to 0. So this expression, you can say this a, b and c is equal to 0. So this entire expression would become equal to this. This formula is applied here. So a3, what is question is asked, a3, b3 and c3, this would be equal to 3abc, because this will go to this side. 3abc, it means 3 into x minus 1, y minus 2 and z minus 3. 3, x minus 1, y minus 2 and z minus 3. So a should be the answer. Question number 68. If BC plus AB plus CA is equal to ABC, then the volume of, we have to find the value of this. Volume means here value of this. Value we have to find, value of this expression, then it will be equal to B plus C divided by, in other words you can write this expression in this format, BC plus ABC, ABC minus BC. I have just opened this. Then A plus C, ABC minus AC plus A plus B divided by ABC minus, I have opened this, AB. Now see this expression also. ABC in place of ABC and minus BC. ABC minus BC, then this is equal to AB plus CA, B plus C, AB plus CA, I can write here B plus C, because AB plus AC, it will become like this. Now again A plus C, which will be equal to ABC minus AC, ABC minus AC. This will become AB plus BC, AB plus BC. So B I can take common, A plus C, AB plus BC. Now C in this, A plus B and AB minus ABC minus AB, ABC minus AB. This will be equal to BC plus CA. So C is common, then A plus B. Now it will cancel like this. It will cancel like this. 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Now this would be equal to, this is equal to, you can say A, B, C and then BC, AC and CA, which is equal to 0. BC, AB, and if I take this side, then it equal to then it will equal to 0. Sorry, 1 because BC plus AB plus CA divided by ABC, which will be equal to 1. In other words, you can say, you can take to this side, then this expression and this expression will become equal. In other words, this and this is same thing. So answer would be D. 68, answer is D. Next question, question number 69. The graph of 3x plus 4y minus 24 is equal to 0 forms a triangle OAB with the coordinate axis where O is the origin. Also the graph of x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0 forms a triangle OCD with the coordinate axis. Then the area of OCD is equal to. These are graphical representation questions, very easy questions. You can say, see, if I put here y is equal to, this is x, this is minus x, this is y, and this is minus y. Now, if I put here y is equal to 0, in other words, if I put y is equal to 0 on this line, it will be equal to 3x is equal to 24, x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8, I can write here 8. And if I put here x is equal to 0, 0 means this is 0 original. So y would be equal to, if x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 4, y is equal to 24, y is equal to 6. So you can say this is 6, this is 6, this is 8. So according to triplet, it will become 10. 6, 8, 10. This is the triplet. In the second case, x plus y is plus 4. Plus 4 is equal to 0. And this was O, A and B. Here we have to find OCD. So x, where y is 0, x would be minus 4. X is minus 4. And if x is 0, then y would be minus 4. It means y is equal to minus 4 when x is 0. This is 0. So 4, 4. Minus 4 and minus 4. What is the question? Then the area of OCD. O, C and D. This is D. We have to find the area of this, which will be equal to 1 by 2, base is 4, height is 4. In other words, 8. 8 is the area of this. But we have to find the area of this also, which is equal to 1 by 2, base you can take it 8, height you can take 6, then it will be equal to 24. So area of this is 3 times of this triangle. What is the question? OCD is equal to 1 by 3 of area of OAB. OAB 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Answer should be B. Next question, question number 70. If a square minus BC divided by a square plus BC plus b square minus CA divided by b square plus CA plus c square minus AB divided by c square plus AB is equal to 1. Then the value of this expression, this expression would be how much? Now see from this equation. This is also frequently asked question of SSC. Remember this type of question variety and note down in your diary. It will be very useful if you note down such kind of question. Now if you find this question, how will you solve? See, remember this from this here. A square, b square and c square. It means how can you make a square, b square and c square in the numerator? We can make when we have a square minus bc, a square plus bc plus 1. And here b square minus ca, b square plus ca and c plus 1, c square minus ab, c square plus ab plus 1. It means here 1 plus 3, that is 4, because both sides we have added 3. Now why we have added this? So that we can convert in this format. Now see, a square plus bc, then a square minus bc, and then a square plus bc. Here also b square plus ca, and then b square minus ca and plus b square plus ca. Similarly here c square plus ab, and then c square minus ab, and then c square plus ab. We have written this expression in this format. What will happen now? It will cancel. So 2a square, 2b square, 2c square. You can say take common and take this side, then it will become 4 by 2. So it will remain like this, a square, it will be equal to this then, a square, b square, c square, and a square bc. So it will be equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 should be the answer. If you know the step of such kind of question, it will be very easy. It will not take more than 20 seconds to solve this question, because there is no need to write when you know what is the step involved in it. Question number 71. If p square is equal to 1 by 9 minus 1, this means p square plus 1 by p4 plus 1 by p4 is equal to 119. In other words, p square plus 1 by p square is equal to, when it is minus 2, 119. In other words, it will be equal to 11 power 2 when we will have like this. So this expression and this is the same thing. In other words, p square plus 1 by p square plus 1 by p square is equal to 11. Now p minus 1 by p would be equal to, here you can write plus 2, which is equal to 11. In other words, p minus 1 by p is equal to 3. P minus 1 by p is equal to 3. Now what is the question? p3 minus 1 by p3. In other words, p minus 1 by p cube is equal to 3 power 3, you will write here p3 plus minus 1 by p3 minus 3 p into 1 by p, and p minus p 1 by p is equal to 3. In other words, p3 minus 1 by p3, 9, 3 minus 3 into 3, 9 minus 9, then it is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, 27 plus 9 would be equal to p3 minus 1 by p3, which is equal to 36. Answer is C. Next question, question number 72. The sum of the internal angle of regular polygon is 1440. Number of sides would be. Always remember, this is very important. Internal sum of internal angle 2 and minus 4 into 90 is equal to 1140. In other words, 2n is equal to 20, n is equal to 10. So this expression 2n minus 4 and then into 90 is very important, because this is the sum of all internal angle. Next question, answer is B. Next question, question number 73. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium where AD is parallel to BC. Diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at point O. If AO is 3, CO is x minus 3, BO is 3x minus 19, DO is x minus 5, then the value of x is how much? See, this is the trapezium. This is also very important, a frequently asked question, because we are solving previous year questions. Previous question of Tier 2. And Tier 2 with this question paper is belong to 2015. 2015, and AD, you can take A, B, C and D. AD is parallel to BC. Diagonal AC, this is diagonal BD intersect at O. This is O. AO is 3. CO x minus 3. BO 3x minus 19, BO 3x minus 19, and DO, which is equal to x minus 5. Now there are two things involved in it. One is, you remember property AO by OC and OD by OB. This is the property. Now 3x minus 3 and x minus 5, 3x minus 19. When you find the expression in this format, if you try to solve this, it will make quadratic equation and it will take a lot of time. So better would be you put the option from, the value from the option. Take like this. How can it be 3 when we have x is equal to 8? When x is equal to 8, then 8 minus 5 would be equal to 3. 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So 8 into 3, 24, minus 19, that is 5. So equation is satisfied. It means x is equal to 8. Y is equal to, let's see, y is equal to, if we put here 9, x is another value, if put here 9, then we will have 9 minus 3, 6, and 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, that is 4, 9 into 3, 27, 27 minus 19, that is 8. So 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2, and 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. These are same. It means value is 8 and 9. D should be the answer. Question number 74. The distance between the center of two circles having radii 8 cm and 3 cm is 13. 13, this is 8 cm, 3 cm. And the length of the direct common tangent. We have to find the value of this direct common tangent, which is equal to d square minus d square, which is given. Let's write directly d square, which is 13 into 13, because this is the distance 169, minus, and 8 power 3, 64. You can write 8 power 2 minus 3 power 2, which will be equal to, sorry, 8 minus, this would be equal to 8 minus 3, that is 5 into 5, 25, which will be equal to 144, that is equal to 12. You should always remember this formula of a direct common tangent length, which is equal to L d square minus R1 and R2 and whole square. You can take like this. R1 8, R2 3, 8 minus 3, that is 5, 5 into 5, 25. We have written this. 13 is the distance between these two center. So 13 into 30, 169, 169 minus 24, 25, that is 144, root of 144 is equal to 12. So length is 12. Answer is D. Question number 75. Chords PQ and PS of a circle when produced, this RS, not PS, RS of a circle when produced meet at a point O. If PQ is 6 cm, OQ is 8, OS is 7, then length of the chord would be how much? See, this is the question. When we produce PQ, this is one chord and second is RS, R and S. When we produce means when we produce like this, manufacture like this, then it will meet at O. This is O. PQ is 6, this is 6. OQ is, O and Q is 8. OS is 7, OS is 7. We have to find the length of RS. This is RS. So what is the property, or what is the formula? Formula is AB, you can say AB complete, this is complete, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 into 6, 14 into 6, this side. And then x plus 7, this is 7, x plus 7 into x. Sorry, into 7, this is 8. Sorry, PO into OQ, that is 8 and 14, RO into SO, RS, that is x, RO is x plus 7 and into 7. This property you have to remember this. This property you have to remember this. The entire into this and the entire into this. These are equal. So 16 minus 7, 9. X value is 9. Next question number 76. In this presentation we have covered question from 51 to 75. In the next presentation we will cover question from 76 to 100. Thank you very much for watching this presentation. All the best. Currently we are doing a previous year question paper. All previous question paper of tier 2 we are doing. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.